Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am super excited and so happy to share with you the news about Canva new AI video tool that allows you to create videos within seconds. This is crazy. And guys, this tool is part of Canva new Magic Studio, which I will be covering in a separate video. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see finally when I release this video so that you can learn about all these new goodies within this Magic Studio. Now guys, as you know, Canva on a whole is a massive platform, and with this new AI tool, this could potentially be a game changer for content creators and designers on a whole. And I know that you're super curious to see what this tool is. So guys, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the tutorial so that I can show you step by step how to use this tool. Let's go. So guys, I'm inside Canva here, and I just want to mention that I have the Canva Pro, right? However, this tool also is available on the free account of Canva. Now, all you have to do, just simply go to videos and you can choose, for example, an Instagram reel, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select Instagram reel here. And here you can immediately see on the left hand side that generate video instantly. And this is the new Canva tool. Now, all you have to do is just go ahead and select it. And now you can see that you can select images or videos that you already have in your account. You can select up to 10, or you can upload from your computer. Now, I have gone ahead and upload a few pictures here, but I can easily click on this and simply choose from images from my download or wherever I have them on my computer, right? Now, as you saw before that I have those images that I'm going to use for the sake of this tutorial here, I'm going to just go ahead and select, let's say, the 4 of these images that I have. I can select 4 of them, right? Now, once you do so, you will have this box here that allows you to put in your prompt, right? So I simply create this prompt, guys. Create a video about 2 ways how to make money on YouTube. Simple prompt. And before I click generate, I want to mention this. If you're on the free platform of Canva, you right here under this section at the bottom here, you will see that the Magic Studio is included within the Pro plan. But if you're on the free plan, you will simply see where it says how many credits you have used and how many credits you have remaining within the Magic Studio, because this AI tool is a part of the Magic Studio. So if you have used any tool within the Magic Studio, you will see that it takes a credit and you will see how many credits you have remaining. If I'm correct, you have around 9 credits or something like that. I'm not entirely sure at this moment, but you will be able to see how many credits you have used from that free studio, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click generate right now so that you can see what happens. And within seconds, you will be able to see that my new video is generated from the Canva AI video tool here. Within seconds, immediately within seconds. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play it so that you can see what it looks like. Alright, so by first generation, that's what I got. But you can always go back if you're not satisfied and regenerate something else, right? As well, you can always go ahead and change the different images. You can also add more pages. You can change transition. You can change the music. So right out of the box, you saw that it shows the images that I've selected to make a video. It automatically select a music there and it sync it up very nicely, right? And also add some easy text. Now, on the left hand side, you work with this just as normal, right? You can select various pages. You can change the images. You can go ahead and under images here, you can also change it to a video. So if I want something else, I can easily select money, right? And just simply write something like that. And I can easily go ahead and drag this and change the image if I don't like the one that I have there. It's very easy. Or also under videos, you can always simply do the same thing, right? So if I go there and I type money, for example, yeah. Let me go ahead and hit enter, and I simply would like to use this video. I can always go ahead and I can just easily change it for something like this. It's totally up to you. So you'll be able to play around with it and easily modify it how you want, right? Also, I would like to mention as well that let's go back to the design here. You will also see that you have styles here. So you have the template, right? Which you can always play around with the template. And under styles, you can always play around with the brand kit. So if you have a brand kit already in place, you can select your brand kit. You can select your brand kit that you have, and it will automatically be applied to your video, right? Or you can always simply choose from one of these combinations here. So let's say I would like to use this, for example. I can choose it. And if I would like to choose a particular like text or something like that, I can always play around with the fonts as well. So I can play around with the fonts and I can choose from many more. And if you notice here, it doesn't apply to each page. You can always apply to each page if you want to, right? So you can easily do that. But I'm just, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you simple how you can go ahead and modify it, right? Now, what you can also do, guys, if for example you want to add a new page, you can simply do that by adding a new page, or you can easily duplicate one of these, right? Duplicate page, and you can easily change the content that you want there, right? You can easily do that. Let me go ahead and choose, let's say I want to use back this image, right? I can easily do that, and I can modify the text to put something that I want, right? Yeah, so let's say you can always modify the text to something else that you want to, and that's what I did here. Now guys, you also realize if you click on the text, you can easily use Canva tools, right? So if you click on these stars here, you will see various options. You will see continue writing, summarize, rewrite, more fun. You can do more formal. You can do a lot more, guys. A lot more with the tool, and this will easily continue to write for you. So you, for example, Magic Write, I can easily click on that and I can click the dots and I can say summarize, I can say rewrite, yeah, and it will automatically use AI to rewrite this for me, as you saw there, which is very useful, right? You can always modify the text as well. As I mentioned before, you can play around with that and you can change it to whatever you want, guys. You can easily change it to whatever you want. I also want to mention that there's an additional feature that you can use. So guys, as you saw that I added the new page here, right? You can easily select the music and then you can click bleed sync, and then you can turn on this sync now. This will automatically sync up all your new addition or changes to the video with the beat. Now, as you saw as well that the crown is here, it simply means that you have to have the pro plan in order to use the sync now, or the sync or the beat sync, right? So you will have to have the pro plan in order to use this feature. Otherwise, you can just adjust it manually to your liking. And once you're finished, all you have to do, you just simply go ahead and go to share. You can share it however you want, or you can simply go ahead and you can download the MP4 video to your liking. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, in a nutshell, that's basically the Canva new AI video tool that allows you to generate video within seconds. And I really hope that you found some value within this. Now guys, this tool does not generate the perfect video, but it is a great place to start and allows you to get your ideas across, use the AI tools that are there to generate a very quick video. And if you're not looking for something fancy, you're just looking for a quick reel or a quick YouTube short or whatever it might be for your social media, this is a great place and a great tool to use to get those videos really generated within seconds. Now, I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, feel free to give this video a like, share the video as well. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every week just like this one. And as I mentioned, I'll be going over the Canva new Magic Studio so that you can see all the new goodies that are there. And I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of what this new studio is and how to use it. So if you'll find this very useful, feel free to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and see you next time when I release this video. See you next time.